Hello everyone, welcome to our English class with English Term 1 in Unit 2 in the middle. Conversation time. In this conversation we will learn about polite exchange for a sneeze. Now, let's go to see together. Before we see the conversation, let's talk about the picture. This is Ivy. She's a girl. This is Joe. He's a boy. Ivy says, "I choose." Joe says, "Bless you." This boy is flying a kite. There are a lot of animals and plants in the meadow. Look at the frogs, the ladybugs, and the bee. Here's a tree, and here are some flowers. Now, let's go to see the conversation. Yes, everyone wants someone sneeze. I choose. I choose. What is the word that you say to the who sneeze? You should say, "Bless you." Bless you. Okay, everyone. Now let's listen and repeat after me. I choose. I choose. Bless you. Bless you. Thanks. Thanks. Very good, everyone. Now let's go to exercise 1. In the exercise, you have to listen and circle. Yes, are you ready, everyone? Now let's start. Number 1. I choose. I choose. Number 2. Bless you. Bless you. Number 3. Thanks. Thanks. Now let's check the answer. Number 1. A or B? A. And number 2, B. How about number 3? Number 3, A. Very good, everyone. Now let's go to exercise 2. In exercise 2, you need to unscribble, march, and write. Now let's go to see. Number 1 is example for you. In the exercise, I give you 30 seconds to do. Are you ready, everyone? Now, let's start. Okay everyone, now thumbs up. Let's check the answer. Number 1. Bless you. Number 2. Thanks. How about number 3? I choose. Very good everyone. This is all for you today. Thank you.